Haven't you ever wondered what sheep shearers do during the off season? Sheep shearing is mostly a seasonal job. And for Chase Cantrell, what he does is drive truck. So we're gonna go find him because he's driving truck near his house right now, and we're gonna check out what driving truck is like for Chase.
Hello and welcome to Ralph McWilliams Shearing Supplies, and this is Ralph McWilliams himself. He is one of the main distributors of sheep shearing gear and equipment, handpieces, anything related to sheep shearing in the US. And as you can see, he has a nice selection of combs and cutters, handpieces, machines, anything sheep shearing related he has for the seasoned shearers or just people who want to shear one or two head. You know, don't be afraid to give him a call, and he'll be more than happy to answer your questions and have a good talk with you about anything sheep shearing related.
One really neat thing about Idaho is that it's a grid system. So I think we're on 40, I don't know, but it goes up by hundreds, okay? So for every 100, it's 1 mile. So for example, we're coming up on 1700. That means the next street down is going to be 1800. So each intersection is about 1 mile apart. So he gave me the grid location, and I'm going to it now. But right now, it is corn harvest season in Idaho, America. Corn, I like to call it the steroid of livestock, because corn really get livestock fat. And there's lots of corn in Iowa, and there's some big sheep in Iowa, let me tell you. See all that corn. More corn. Looks like I found them. They were pretty easy to find. But yep, look at that. Okay. Chase, describe your job right now to me. I just said driving truck and collecting corn.
So we're chopping corn, which there's quite a bit too. Like every kernel has to be cracked or else the cow poops it out, and it has no nutritional value. And every one of these choppers has to process 8 rows of corn in a matter of seconds and then shoot it into the truck. And I don't know if Seamus got it on video, but I put a flap down behind us because right now we are experiencing what is called an open up, where you go around the outside of the field to get it opened up to make it. That's just what you do. That's like when you shear the belly off, kind of.
Okay.
So right now we're doing the open up, and then once the corn is in the truck and you have a full load, you take it and you weigh each load, so you get paid by the ton. So it's kind of like shearing, piece rate. The more loads, the more tons, the more money you make.
Yep.
And also, you have to put it in the pit. So there's pit packers, and you'll see that here in just a little bit. So this is, I don't know, it's very repetitive, and it's kind of annoying, but it pays the bills.
But those are some crazy gears, holy smokes.
Yeah.
Do they ever catch like wildlife in that?
Yes, they've caught skunks, deer, some humans. For real? Like in California, yeah.
Like humans sleeping in the cornfields?
Maybe taking a shit or at the wrong place, wrong time.
I woke up this morning with a pounding in my head. I got 35 beer cans of fear beneath my bed. So I head down to the quick stop for a Slim Jim and a cup of coffee. The worker there, her name is Charlene. She's got a couple missing teeth and a rabbit foot on her keychain. She's been serving me breakfast since 2017. She looks me dead in the eyes, says, you know what, boy, you're just one of a kind. 'Cause I'm a dying breed, but what you get is what you see. I'm not trying to be anything that I don't want to be. 'Cause I'm a dying breed, I pick a little on my sixth string. I'm like vision in a small stream, paying cash kind of thing. 'Cause I'm a dying breed. Saturdays I watch the Bulldogs play. You can bet on Sundays I'm cheering on Green Bay. Then it's off to Mama's for a home-cooked meal and a beer with Dad. Mama warns me I need to change my ways, but I am not a product of the lives they live today. 'Cause I'm a dying breed, but what you get is what you see. I'm not trying to be anything that I don't want to be. And I'm a dying breed, I pick a little on my sixth string. I'm like vision in a small stream, paying cash kind of thing. 'Cause I'm a dying breed. Baby, I'm a dying breed, yeah. Well, I can't be the only one out there. So if you feel like me, put your drinks up in the air. Let me know you're right here. 'Cause I'm a dying breed, what you get is what you see. I'm not offering anything that I don't want to be. 'Cause I'm a dying breed, I pick a little on my sixth string. I'm like vision in a small stream, paying cash kind of thing. But it's one too many and a firm handshake kind of thing. 'Cause I'm a dying breed, baby, I'm a dying breed. Woke up this morning with a pounding in my head. I got 35 beer cans of fear beneath my bed.
So we are at the scale. And the worst part about this scale is that it's a portable scale.
Oh.
And this guy's really smart, and he buried it. Because sometimes when you hit a portable scale, you have to drive up on them, and it's really hard on your clutch, and it's really hard to hit it exact every single time. So I have to stop exactly on this little metal plate. You can look down and see out your side. Friend!
I did.
Thank you. No, he's just a buddy. He does YouTube videos. Famous Seamus on YouTube. He's a sheep shearer. We shear sheep for a living. So like and subscribe. It'll help him. He's just doing a little truck driving rendition. Relief driver. Like I need a relief driver. So these are the pit packers. And if you do not compact the corn silage correctly, it will rot and mold. So you gotta get as much air you possibly can out of it. And once it's properly compacted, it ferments.
Smells like
I don't know if the cows actually maybe get a buzz. Because they've done tests over, I don't know, hundreds of years, and this is the most efficient way to do this. So. Today was like, hey Dad, your truck is pooping corn. It's like, yeah, it sure is, baby.
Chase, that was one load, right?
One load.
Yep. Did you get paid by the load?
Get paid by the load, hopefully. My truck doesn't haul as much as some of the others, but I figure about 70 bucks a load. And I hope to get 20 loads a day if it's a good day. So I haven't done my load count today, but I'm pretty sure I'm on pace for 20, 23. So it's a good day.
Come down, slow papa. There ain't no way out. Upside head down, blacked out and hit the ground. Then they found him cold dead, paid a whole town blood red. Raised a bull on a snake chain. At the age of 12, I went astray. At 22 they say I killed a man. Yeah, today they say I'm gonna hang. Come down, slow jailer. Think I got me a way out. Here they come to condemn their bought and sold man. All I got's to hear now, one shot to black it out. Raise the bull under the snake chain. At the age of 12, I went astray. At 22 they say I killed a man. Yeah, today they say I'm gonna
step to the holy chair, then the hall to the garden stair. Tie 'em up, then I'm on the chair, in and out the door here. Raise the full on the respect chain. Yeah, today they say I'm gonna
We'll see you in a bit.
Yep, thanks, Chase.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and check out my other channel. And also don't forget to check out my store too, where you can see my photos, where you can see my photography and see the photos that I've taken. All right, see you later.